How to hide out-of-stock items in Shopify app. To hide out-of-stock items in the Shopify mobile app, open the app and tap Store. Then go to Products. From there, select a product that's sold out. Scroll down to the Sales Channels section and tap Manage. You'll see a list of sales channels where the product is active. Uncheck the ones you want to hide it from, like your online store, then tap Done to save. Repeat this process for other sold-out items. If you want this to happen automatically, you'll need to use a third-party inventory management app from the Shopify App Store, as the mobile app doesn't offer bulk auto-hide settings. Hiding out-of-stock items keeps your store looking fresh, improves customer experience, and helps avoid frustration from unavailable products. You can always re-enable listings when you're stuck, all from your phone. So that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.